Hi everyone, today we are reading Shubh Diwali by Chitra Soundar, illustrated by Charlene Chua. Grandpa watches the waning moon. The festival is coming soon. Our house must look its very best. Diwali is here, no time to rest. Yay! We hang buntings of mango leaves. They welcome God's grandma believes. Rangoli art dispels the gloom. It brings sparkle to every room. Oh, how cute the rangoli looks. We wear new clothes to mark the cheer. We have waited all through the year. Time for stories about our gods who fought evil against all odds. We ring the bells this darkest night. We sing the hymns, chant and recite. The moon is new as night descends. We light the lamps with all our friends. We exchange gifts and handmade sweets. We greet our neighbors on the streets. Fireworks whiz, shimmer and glow. The skies brighten in the sparkly show. Dinner's ready, it's full of treats. We stay awake as night retreats. It's good fortune the new year begins. It's lucky to start brand new things. Shubh Diwali to one and all. We wish you joy big and small. Wow, I love Diwali. Do you also love Diwali, children? So be safe this Diwali. Happy Diwali to all of you. Be safe. See you all next time.